Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove keyboard sounds on a Samsung phone. If your keyboard sounds like this when you're typing, I'm going to teach you how to remove that sound. First of all, go to your settings app. Once you get there, click on sound and notifications. Once you get here, click on system sound. Once you've clicked on system sound, turn off the Samsung keyboard. And when you go back to your notes app to type, you're not going to hear the sound anymore. It's gone. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And have a good day. Thank you.